Welcome to Forever Young. We'd like to present this 1998 Pacific Mariner 65 as a new listing for Rubicon Yachts. I'd like to explain the features of the boat, give you a tour of the inside, and talk to you about the extraordinary design, layout, manufacture, and specifications for this yacht. It is 65 feet long and 17 feet wide and very comfortable as a coastal cruiser and a yacht for San Francisco Bay and the Delta. It was built in the Pacific Northwest, used in the Northwest in the San Juan Islands, and has cruised the West Coast and more recently been on San Francisco Bay and up in the Delta. So welcome aboard. Let's go inside and have a tour. One of the most interesting features of this boat is the stern platform, the boarding area. It has flexi-teak on its deck. It has staples in the stern section that can be removed for boarding, and it makes this a very safe, family-friendly, yacht-compatible entrance to the boat. It is 17 feet wide. This boat has a full-width sun deck, salon, and cockpit to give you plenty of space for boarding and for use during the day. With just a few steps up from the swim step, we come into the sun deck. It has a comfortable settee, a table to use for dining and cocktails, and plenty of space for your guests to enjoy the visibility from the stern and enjoy the fresh air from the isinglass windows that can roll up and allow fresh air to flow through. From the sun deck, let's take a look inside. Come through the sliding glass doors that allow us to go into the salon, and it logos the Pacific Mariner brand in a very stylish way. The salon includes a generous settee, a comfortable L-shaped upholstered entertaining center with a high-low table that can be used for dining or cocktails. The salon has had a custom refit with cherry wood cabinets and granite countertops to make an extraordinary entertaining center with a bar and a mirror behind, stemware and glassware storage, as well as a TV that comes out of the granite side table for viewing and can store inside the cabinet for a clean interior presentation. The salon includes a complete Bose stereo system, and the cabinetry hides a set of manuals for all the operating systems and has a complete maintenance history for the boat. The boat is carpeted with a marine grade fine carpet and makes a comfortable living area and entertainment space with a full width salon in a 17-foot wide boat. It's a large entertaining space and makes a comfortable entertaining opportunity for your guests. The custom refit of this salon with the cherry wood cabinetry and the custom bar allows a higher bar table as well as a workspace for buffet. It includes bottle storage, and it includes an ice maker and refrigeration. So you have a complete bar service for a family, or if you have a professional to serve your guests, there's plenty of space. From the salon, we go up a few steps to the pilot house. One of the features of the Pacific Mariner 65 is the flow of the entertaining space. From the salon into the pilot house is essentially one space, just up a few steps, and you have the galley that can be both a professional culinary center as well as a bar service. It has full-size refrigerator, stove, microwave, full-size dishwasher, trash compactor, and double sink with granite countertops on cherrywood cabinetry. It's a beautiful space for a gourmet chef or your professional server. The pilot house connects to the galley so that you have a settee in front of the galley and behind the pilot station with a dining table, a cocktail table, and the skid seats rotate 180 degrees and can be part of this dining space for entertaining. When we go forward from this settee, we see the primary steering station, and we can recognize the pilot house design. The boat has microcontrols that are easy to use. It has new Garmin charts. It's got engine controls, tank monitoring, and GPS. This station also has the ComNav autopilot. It has Naiad roll stabilizers and full engine controls and operating controls at this station. The wheel steering is very comfortable, and the visibility from the pilot house is extraordinary for a boat of this size. The two side entrance doors are sliding and allow for flow-through ventilation and give the pilot house all of the air and visibility and access to the decks that would be desired. Forever Young has extraordinary power resources. It has a full 12-volt panel. It has a 24-volt panel. It has 110 panels and generators and shore power access to supply the boat with power for all of its needs. From the pilot house to the flybridge are a few brief stairs and give you access to yet another entertaining space. The flybridge has another settee. It has glass windows on the forward end, and it has clear isinglass above, so you have 360-degree visibility. And from the flybridge, we have two control centers. We have the microcontrols for both the primary flybridge operating control. We have bow thruster controls, radios, and engine monitoring systems. And we have a Garmin chart plotter. Over on the port side, we have another set of microcontrols, yet another Garmin screen that has a fish finder for depth, and it has control for the bow thruster as well as the engines fore, aft, and speed. Boat deck includes a cradle for your dinghy. It includes a Nautical Structures 1,500-pound winch and davit, and it has lighting, speakers, and the arch has radar and satellite and communication systems out of the way and conveniently attached to the arch. One of the features of this particular boat is a Starlink communication system that is permanently mounted on the arch and comes with the boat. One of the features the current owner finds most interesting is this large hatch in the pilot house, which ventilates the pilot house from the flybridge and allows fresh air to flow through the doors and cools the whole boat. Special position for this hatch, and it's very effective at ventilating the galley, the pilot house, and the flybridge. Join me as we go down a few stairs to the accommodations and tour the suites. The VIP suite is forward and includes a queen bed and ensuite head. This suite has storage closets. It has a TV and an ensuite that is complete, has a shower stall, and gives complete privacy to your guests. After the VIP suite is a head in the hallway, which functions as a day head, as well as a private head for the guest suite, which is immediately aft. The guest suite includes 2 twin beds and a doorway into the head forward. The guest suite has 2 twin beds, a TV, and storage closets, and access to the day head. Traveling aft, we go to the master suite, which has a king bed center, and it has an ensuite head. The cherry cabinetry is throughout. There's a desk or makeup station and night tables, as well as closet storage for both sides, and drawer and cabinets for the owner's clothing and storage. The Pacific Mariner has wide decks, safety handrails that are proper height for allowing your crew to move around the boat in safety, as well as ground tackle and an electric windlass with foot pedals to control. This yacht actually has 4 staterooms if you count the crew quarters. From the sun deck, there are a few steps down toward the engine room and the crew quarters. Come with me and I'll show you. The crew quarters has laundry, has a dryer, a washer, a freezer, 2 bunks, and space for a marine head. Twin Detroit diesel 8V92 engines were completely rebuilt from the crank up in 2012, and the heat exchangers and accessories were rebuilt in 2019. They're twin turbo diesels with 760 horsepower, and the engines go through a transmission. They have PSS dripless shaft seals. The engine room also has 20 kW generator with a power takeoff to operate the bow thruster, and an 8 kW generator to supplement the engine's both power sources. It has a sea recovery water maker. It has Naiad stabilizers. It has 2 Glendinning cable management systems so that you have both port and starboard cable controls. The boat has 2 stainless fuel tanks. The sight glass allows you to monitor manually the fuel levels and fuel usage. I hope you enjoyed your tour of Forever Young. I'd like to show it to you in person soon.